a kit to make your own woodland journal using the composition book for your cover, including the stencil, the stickers, and a signature of papers. It's all here except for this scrapbook paper. Stay tuned. It's Julie, and I've put together 2 kits of a bunch of the items that were in the little fox journal. It's not everything from the journal. You'll want to check out the flip through, but it is some of the items, including the stencil. So you want to watch this video and see what I included. I included the composition book that I used. So it's this cute plaid composition book, and you get all the pages. Then I also have a file folder, and you can cut this up and use it for cards in your journal. So these are several of the items that I used, and then a few extras. So I did use the apple. I used these note cards. I used some of the Martha Stewart bunny note cards, and these adorable deer. Some yellow papers. These pretty flowered note cards, quite a few of them. Some of the cute little fox. Okay. Some of the little countryside. You get the gift card holder. And this. You also get one of the orange polka dot. A couple of the green cards. A couple of bridge cards. You get a photo folder that I used in the journal. You do get the circle scrapbook paper. It's folded in half so it would fit. You get a couple pages of the fox book, a Rolodex, a covered Rolodex, the cute little card. This is from a notepad. And one gets Be Kind. So one will get this one will get that one. You'll choose it in the drop-down menu. Everybody gets a fox playing card, a striped index card, the craft colored stickers. You get the set of the post-it notes with the wildlife creatures and thankful papers. You get a couple of the little fence. You get a large acorn. You get several of these to-do papers to be able to use throughout. Be Kind. And so you'll get to choose in the drop-down menu whether you are Be Clever the fox or the Be Kind deer. You get a fox card, a striped index card, a set of the craft colored stickers. You do get the fox stained glass stickers. I love these stickers. And then remember, I also used the packaging in the journal. You get the self-adhesive stencils, and yeah, so you get those. This was extra. You get this. You can go ahead and add it in there or something else. So as far as your papers, it's even kind of put together. There's papers that are missing are the scrapbook papers. But not all the other, but a lot of the other papers are in here. You get the bag. And these are already put in order. I was going to make these, and so many people were asking about the stencil, and I just don't have time to make these up right now. So you actually get the signature is put together for you. You're might need to cut down the edges of these pages. but you even get the Flavia paper and all that. So this signature is put together except for the folded scrapbook paper, and then you get all of these items, including the stencil and the fox. The stencil with the fox. You get the fox stickers. So a whole lot of really fun stuff. And this is at a Stash Buster, I need it to go away price. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll check out in the Etsy shop where this is available. The Dear Julie Etsy shop. Description down below. Have a great day. Bye.